According to National Electrical Code Article 210, general purpose receptacle outlets and dwelling units must be placed so that no points along the floor line of any wall space is more than how many feet from an outlet? A. 4 feet, B. 6 feet, C. 8 feet, D. 12 feet. Answer B. 6 feet. What is the required height for emergency lighting fixtures? Answer: National Electrical Code 700.16 differs to NFPA 101, which requires emergency lighting to be positioned no lower than 80 inches to avoid obstruction. What is the minimum clearance for outdoor AC disconnect? Answer: National Electrical Code 440.14 requires the disconnect must be within sight of the equipment, within 50 feet and readily accessible. No specific height requirement, but commonly 4 to 6 feet. What is the required working space height for electrical equipment? Answer: National Electrical Code 110.26.A.3 requires a minimum headroom clearance of 6 feet and 6 inches for electrical rooms and enclosures. What is the required height for emergency lighting fixtures? Answer: National Electrical Code 700.16 differs to NFPA 101, which requires emergency lighting to be positioned no lower than 80 inches to avoid obstruction. Explain the process of troubleshooting of a dead outlet. Number 1. Check the circuit breaker to see if it is tripped. Number 2. Test the outlet with a voltmeter to check for power. Number 3. Check nearby outlets or GFCI outlets that may have tripped. Number 4. Inspect the wiring connections inside the outlet box. And number 5, if necessary, trace the circuit to identify any. What is the function of GFCI and EFCI? Both GFCI and EFCI are safety devices, but they protect against different electrical hazards. GFCI means ground fault circuit interrupter, and EFCI arc fault circuit interrupter. GFCI protects you from electric shocks by detecting leak of electricity or ground faults, and it can be seen in bathroom, kitchens, outdoor outlets, and garages, while EFCI prevents electrical fires by detecting dangerous sparks, arc faults, and